Hey guys, are you want to buy best drones under 200? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drones under 200 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Blinory Drones, the Blinory 55 Hong Kong dollars GPS drone is an impressive choice for both beginners and experienced flyers. Equipped with a 2K HD camera and 90 degrees electrically adjustable angle, it captures stunning aerial footage with smooth, stable video thanks to built-in shock absorption and 5 GHz FPV real-time transmission. Sharing your adventures is easy via phone or SD card. Safety and convenience are standout features. GPS auto return ensures the drone comes back when it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low battery. The 55 Hong Kong dollars Drone Go app helps locate your drone on a map, eliminating the worry of losing it. Creative flying is simple with Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest, and Gesture Selfie modes, while the dual modular batteries provide up to 32 minutes of flight. Brushless motors offer smoother, faster, and quieter flights. Lightweight, foldable, and FAA-exempt, this drone is portable and beginner-friendly with one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, and speed switching. Blinory's responsive support ensures peace of mind. Now our second product is Laksaki Drones. The EC120 drone is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Its built-in 4K UHD camera shoots videos and photos at 3840 by 2160 resolution, and the 110 degrees wide angle, 90 degrees adjustable lens ensures vibrant, detailed shots from any perspective. The 5G FPV transmission provides smooth, low-latency live streaming for an immersive flying experience. Safety and reliability are key features. With GPS auto return, the drone can safely return to its takeoff point at the press of a button or automatically in low battery or signal loss situations, so losing your drone is never a worry. The EC120 offers excellent flight performance with 2 intelligent batteries for up to 50 minutes of flight and a 1 kilometer control range. Brushless motors deliver stability, wind resistance, and efficient flying. Smart flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Circle Fly make capturing cinematic shots effortless. Beginners will also appreciate features like optical flow, altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key start for easy, precise control. Lightweight, foldable, and FAA-exempt, it's perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Our third product is Karuisrc Drones. The GPS drone with 4.5-inch controller screen is an impressive choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The built-in 4.5-inch HD display provides real-time transmission, allowing you to preview footage instantly and maintain full control over every flight. Equipped with a 4K camera, this drone captures vibrant, cinema-quality aerial footage with professional-level color accuracy, making it perfect for content creation. Smart flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Orbit Mode ensure smooth, automated tracking for vlogging, hiking, biking, or any adventure, letting you focus on storytelling while the drone handles the flight path. The advanced GPS navigation guarantees precise positioning and automatic return, providing safety and peace of mind even in challenging environments. With wind-resistant design, up to 400 m control distance, and 250 m mapping capability, this drone offers extended range and uninterrupted HD transmission. Overall, it combines cutting-edge camera technology, smart tracking features, and reliable GPS control, delivering a professional, worry-free, and creative flying experience. Now number 4, DJI Drones. The Mini 3 drone is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful aerial photography solution. Weighing under 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use, making it incredibly convenient for casual flyers. Its 4K UHD camera with dual native ISO fusion delivers stunning HDR video and crisp, detailed shots, capturing both highlights and shadows flawlessly in day or night conditions. The true vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media, allowing tall landmarks, waterfalls, or cityscapes to be captured and shared instantly on Instagram or TikTok. With up to 51 minutes of flight time using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, and a Fly More combo offering 114 minutes, extended sessions are easily achievable. Level 5 wind resistance, a 3-axis gimbal, and brushless motors ensure stable, smooth footage even at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. The Mini 3 also supports up to 10 km HD video transmission and features quick shots and panorama modes, making creative, professional-level shots effortless. A compact drone packed with advanced capabilities. And our last choice is BeiyoQSZ drones. This foldable drone with a 1080p HD camera is perfect for both beginners and kids, offering a fun and creative way to capture aerial photos and videos. The 90 degrees adjustable camera supports real-time transmission, gesture control, and easy social media sharing. Simply use a V gesture for photos or a palm gesture for videos, making it effortless to record every memorable moment. Equipped with features like headless mode, 3-speed settings, 1-key takeoff/landing/return, 360 degrees flips, trajectory flight, and gravity control, it's beginner-friendly yet engaging for more experienced users. The optical flow positioning camera ensures stable hovering, while 2 included batteries provide up to 25 minutes of flight time. Overcurrent protection and emergency stop functions add safety and reliability. Compact and foldable, this drone is highly portable, with a carrying case and full accessories, including propeller guards, spare blades, and a USB charging cable. A fun, creative, and safe gift that makes capturing high-quality aerial footage easy and enjoyable anywhere. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.